Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and yeah, I finally managed to make a new home screen setup, and it's a minimal one. So I'm using the Realme X7 Max with Realme 2.0 right now, and yeah, it supports gestures for third-party launches like Nova pretty well. So I decided to make this setup after watching a few videos from fellow YouTuber Rohitagni Mukherjee, and yeah, this is how it is. So I'm gonna tell you everything that I've used to make this setup. So make sure to stick till the end, and let's start intro. The first two things that you're gonna need in order to make this setup is first of all Nova Launcher, obviously, and then you'll need the KWGT widget maker, preferably the Pro version. Alright, so let's start with the wallpaper. So the wallpaper that I have on my screen right now is from an icon pack called Delta, but I will provide the direct download link of the wallpaper in the description, so make sure to check that out. And I'll also leave the backup file for Nova Launcher so that it becomes easier for you to set up the grid and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, this setup looks really cool. So I have two widgets and a few icons. So the icons that you see are from an icon pack called as Lines. It is a free icon pack, you can download it from the Play Store. And then there is a date and time widget along with some additional information. So that particular widget is from a KWGT widget pack called as Desaturate. So I'll leave the link for that too. And then I have a music player widget, which is from a widget pack called as Mini Music, which is a great pack. Now let's start off with the setup. So in order to first set it up, so first things first, I'm using the Lines icon pack. So I have set up a few of my favorite most used apps on the home screen, and the grid size is I believe 7:9. So yeah, after setting up everything, just load up the Nova backup file that I have linked below. After doing that, you'll have the same kind of grid setup. So for the first widget, create a KWGT widget on your home screen, preferably a 4:2 one, and then go into the Desaturate KWGT widget pack and select the widget number D1. Yeah, this is the exact widget that I have here. I have tweaked it a little bit, like the font for the time is a little different. So yeah, do that. And after that, for the music player widget, make another like 2:2 or 4:1 setup on your home screen. Okay, and then select it, go inside the Mini Music KWGT pack and select the widget number 065. So this will be the exact widget. So this is a dynamic widget, so it changes according to the music that you're playing, and yeah, it is kind of a live widget. That's pretty cool. As I mentioned that at the bottom, I have set a few of my favorite icons in a pretty cool layout, and yeah, I have like disabled the dock, and I have removed the icons and stuff. I have hidden the notification panel, so it looks more clean. So in my opinion, the USP of this setup is the wallpaper, and after that the icon pack and everything else. So yeah, this is the pretty minimal home screen setup that I've been going right now. There are 2 pages in this setup, but the second page only contains a few more icons that I use frequently and the Galaxy Buds Pro widget from the Galaxy Wear app. And that's pretty much it for this particular video. Hope this was helpful, and I think this home screen looks pretty cool. Hope you'll be able to recreate it and look at it whole day and admire it like I do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. So yeah, I'll leave everything down below in the description. You can download everything from the links given there. And also don't forget to share this video with everyone that you know. I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.